Hi, I'm Stephen Amell.
And I'm Rick Gonzalez, and this is our Walt Disney World Minute.
Hi Rick, hi Stephen. Where are we today?
We're at Blizzard Beach on a polar patio.
You guys played superheroes on TV. If you could have any superpower in real life, what would it be?
Invisibility.
Flying.
What Disney villain do you think would be the toughest for the superheroes you played to take down?
Maleficent.
Goofy.
True or false, you always wanted to be an actor?
True after my mid-20s.
Very true. I wanted to be one before I could make cereal.
And what was your favorite Disney movie growing up?
Aladdin.
Ooh, Honey, I Shrunk the Kids.
If you could play any Disney character in a live-action remake, who would it be?
Goofy.
Donald Duck.
Is it true you do your own stunts?
Mostly true, unless they won't let me.
I tried to do every single stunt because this man did parkour the first season of Arrow.
What was one of the most challenging stunts you've performed?
Fought a guy with a sword on top of a mountain. Swords hurt.
Flying through a windshield.
All right, thank you so much for your time, guys. I hope you have fun today at Blizzard Beach.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.